Hi friends, in this video we'll see how to build an good LinkedIn profile. Okay, follow these steps, you will build an awesome LinkedIn profile. Okay, so this LinkedIn profile is my own LinkedIn profile. Okay, so my name is Lokesh Malireddy. So I'm introducing myself to this channel for the first time. So so first of all, you need to build an good profile picture, so that recruiters and other persons may attract and interact with your profile. Okay, so after that you need to have a good background profile, good background DP, and as well, and you need to feature some things. So you need to add a frequent post and add any newsletter you want, and you also add an article. And if you want to publish your own links, you can publish like this. So this is my GitHub profile link, and I also add my YouTube channel links to my LinkedIn profile to interact more with the lot of people. And you can also add about section, so you can write your own theories. Like if you write more, so these are like hashtags. Okay, if you write more things, so it will reach to the more persons. Okay, so you can also add your projects, what you all done in your graduation or in any of the other institute. So after that, like if you want to add any like your work experience, you can add. So you can also like voluntarily add. So if you want to build an resume with LinkedIn, you can easily build. You can, if you click on build a resume, LinkedIn will automatically create a good resume for you. So that is very excellent. Okay, so you can also save it as a PDF, or like if you want to like if you are a hearing person, you can hear through LinkedIn and you can provide services if you click on that button. So this is the profile like look likes. So I hope you enjoyed this session and gather some important points. Thank you for watching this video.